Happy to announce you the arrival of Nana Bediaku Project Sapom. Dopia Hene of Asante Achimaboko. Nana Bediaku Project Sapom. Berema is so teacher Kuro Kwame Sechia Bebiu. Nana Abutechi Hene. Edua Samampon Nana Okropon Sechi Nana. Sabre Ordinary Nyam Ababeta Jumediechi. O teacher Kuro Kwame Sechi Abebiu.
I was young about Bagana new series so now. Baby, I'm Mijina Hay, NTBA, the biggest pharmaceutical manufacturing plant. And what Africa Hangina, I have seen any Bessina, Akwamufie, I work with Mantemu, any Abbey Piena, Ghana Mampany, His Excellency, and Akufo Addo. Any Barbie Chahumum, na MIKO Pharma for SC, or biggest plant. Na we no one will see na bois. Ama enura ye ewo Africa ha no omatimi agira bnane ewo ahase na we ebebie nyuma ama mbabu bi enya bia ye ewo my Ghana mu nabusua senior ceremony no eko no miamura ho na ye ha Ghana new service medina na se fine bobo mesro se ne dedi kan aba hwemia na subscribe na wa share e de ama me na me kan so se abiexpress.com na so ma se no Ghana ana wa brochiri na ope Ghana ntade te se ne ye hye mi bi na wa share bomode an record www.abiexpress.com na koto ho na omo shipping farmer ba bibia wo wiase afa na nyina sanso na se uyensa no dwuma pamontade a ne nyina no ko abiexpress.com na eco register na load wu ne mani go na atofo beto amoma beje e de akwa brochire de ama sanso na ANS Trading Agency se ubronya ne ma e wo se ba fie no bomode an from na omo nye emfamre me che door to door shipping business no omo ya de wo pa na sebe ya disappoint abusuafo ofie nanso se onya ntoye nso de a na ne ekomo mata ewo ma 7 no na eto abrochire ne ma ne bi anwa emo ne ma adidi bronya nyina no benya to se yankwala nuane nso eye aptamil ne apanda eda ho na se be eda ho na correct one pa obadi a obenya na adwum beda ofan amboasu ade akom kama no bomode a na etu ewo mho ekoto abusua bedi na se fa mbogo ne ko hwe ne ko so enti abusua plant no say na won esi factory na eho beye na on say warehouse no esi okakraka pa na entrance no so ewo ho trucks a ebelodi enro eno mapake wanim no sanso na baby a car park edikan a wanim ho ha no ebe security zone inteja security checks nim say enro ni ebe manufacture ho was say ye bo ho ban yie man ye kronye se be ayade bia mfra mu ntino security check a obefamu ene wo ho no ena fountain so ewa akiri ho a eno nso enso no tesensen na ohwe enchen he ya eye benkum so ha no un se dan no esi ho a we no hwehwe dan pa Twene Jonas bese glass nko a ena ne etoso block no admin block and also glass nko asa ena afi baby a manufacturing no be koso no enso ena hu se won ayeye nhwehwe dan no akire nso ekwan da ho a aye se ase baby aya wiemhyen ebegina efa no ha omaye sa tarmac no enso ewo ho a won se no nso ekwan ne eda ho tenten nti uwuramu a won se ba kono na ewo akire kakra nti we no uwuramu a won se MIKO Pharma ahaban ene eda ho no mo de cross atumu na fe usane eba security zone ho na eho no nie main entrance no uwuramu a car park no we na say a zoomed in version a o ma zoom in no say cars no e park wo kama na office no so na ne dan no esi ho fita yaka ho aka do no we ni a section of a dan na wo mo ebesi e dia manufacture enro no enti MIKO Pharma na logo eda ho a ahaban mono no eda nchen no ahaban a ye de cross atum na dwumadie Gihog Distilleries ka ho bi wo mo partner sanso na Siemens ebane technological ne o mo ya de papa nti o mo nso partner bi na eye Sunshine Building Partners na AC sa project yi Sunshine so de o ti Sunshine Sushen ana Sushen no so de ana ya say Chinese name no but ye be nchire mu na yenko factory ni inside ene o ma ewo mu ene o ma be yenko na yenko enti ne di kan ohwe planter you see here ya say blister packing 2025 enti on say okoto paracetamol a ewo sachet so sachet no na ye kana blisters no enti we ni machine a eno ene be hihye enuro na gu so na asili ano kama after the next one no a capsule filling machine and also plant no e ka ho bi factory ni inside and aye to no enti capsule filling room enie and also no topae abumbelet sa enro ni nyina na ha na machine we and e be hye di enro na gum e di hye na di enro na gum na awoso na mana komu yie na fe abuabu aso na ne etoso wa ha dry powder filling and sealing room enti on say enro bi wo ho a wo be call hospital ye kobo pane aduro a wo koto no powder na afi ye de aduro a nsuo afra na ye de awo obi wo ho a koto aduro antibiotics ye se koto no wo koto wi a na ye se koto bottle water bra na ye mfra anti sa powdered enro ni nyina no machine no so ebe fele na esi ha no anti wo say ye de bottles no ntoa na sisi line no so production line no so a kwa kowura babia ebe fele no fele wi a na eja machine no ono a wa hohoro ho apepa ho ayi fi bia ensese ko ho nyina afiri ho ansa na atoa na hanso blending room 2 for table tablet and capsules okay enti blending room 2 enti ha no nso no ha na enro ne machines ene omo de be frafra ye enro ne nyina ha ene on be yam ni nyina on be blende oho omo yam ni nyina nsa na abakra ma machine sili ano sanso ene soro ha granulation room eno nso ohu se ne lifter tripler ewo ho machines no nia ye di bibia be frafra gumu ama adane dane ania ma ye hu se sesia ne de aduro na ena aye ready a enche bia ne ye di kogu bottles ene ninua no makeka ho nyina mu ama yetimi akwa abonten akoton ha ena ha sei na won se enuro no aya na powder nti se powder no won ye powder no ewia tablet ti se paracetamol no ne ade na ya no no un se ya mia powder na aye kurukuru ase ne ehu no ha ena tablet compression too nti ha na tablet ni nyina no wo ebe mia no ama atimi aye tablet no ahyase de powder nti powder no mbe mia mu na afi aye tablet no ena ha sei coating room na ye ka coating room a on se enro bi ho a ti se multivitamin bi ho a ho no ko but obe pai ho no na emu no fita ha ena omo yesa kokko na omo de aye ho no nti coating room no ena ho na busua enche bia na Akufo Addo abedu na yenko tie and show manfo a ebe ne bi. Enti this is how it's going to be like. Ura baby a won beye dwumadie na hu se ye de Sophie abutu ho. Oh, and platform no so a yasa nwea agu ho. And afi ye de ne de to form no eye we matok aha David we Pegas ye de Pegas ato ho. And nimpe and yes MIKO wo mo asenso de no e wo ho a red carpet no eha and lead it to na eha na omampani e de so no bebo form no we de form no ya no platform e de carpet access we obroni nsa no style no be modern and ya sanwea na gusoro te ha na omampani betu na wasan sanwea no nananom nso atena ase dada empanifo a aya guest a omo ba be grace occasion no dodo na atena ase a enche bia na ye hwedwumadie no as.
So in no time we shall receive the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo. So, as announced earlier, in no time, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo Enchebiano Ghana Mampeng Obeduha or Sabeng Sinko Nanso Onim Pema
and that we receive the President of the Republic.
Achiramadefo monko manim Ghana Mampeng Eduha Empeyin se abua opuro ebo aprowa okoninchi no wakase ofie ni fie Ghana Mampeng abanedim babanedim Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo Adonteku abebre sei Akufo sabre mpongoku abene Anansi dua ne ye mapem osibro ni okita ho fedru Nana kwese bosompra nana on ye kremoni abrempong ne DSC council bri kotobrija. The President of the Republic, who doubles as the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, is here with the state protocol and also the Minister for Health, Honorable Dr. Okoboyi, also the DC for Sujaman, Honorable Mevi Sakuno, Ghana Mampeng Namu Onam. I don't take you a say, or him money yo, why am I a fedodo? We're privileged to receive the first gentle of the man, Adudi, Adu Showboy, Adu Guy. Ha. Onipa ba wo ne ma omang adasa where do ha Ghana Mampenye Duha, we're privileged to receive the President of the Republic. So let's take note that as soon as Yedamase Achremadefo Ebrinunti Yedamase. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I would ask you all to remain standing as we take the national anthem. And it will be a solo performance by our young friend, Deborah Mami Pokua Williams.
Shall we all please be upstanding for the national anthem? Thanks. God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, bold to defend forever the cause of freedom and of right. Fill our heart with true humility. Make us cherish fearless honesty and help us to resist oppressors' rule with all our will and mind forevermore, and help us to resist oppressors' rule with all our will and mind forevermore.
Thank you very much. You may please take your seats.
Now we continue with the program.
Thank you very much, Nana Osebonso Shiamain, who is my co-MC. I am Kweku Inshira Addo.
Good morning. I want to take this opportunity to thank God. First, His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo, the President of our beautiful country. Odineho, thank you. Distinguished guests, my family, friends, and partners. We are gathered here today for a very special moment. Today is not merely a day of celebration, but a day of profound significance, a day that marks a beginning of a journey that started about a decade ago, a journey that will change lives, uplift communities, and shape the future of healthcare in our beloved Ghana and across the African continent. As we gather on this sacred land in Akomu, we are reminded of its rich history, cultural heritage, and the resilient spirit of our people. It is only fitting that we honor this land by planting the seeds of progress that will bear fruit for generations to come. The story of MIKO Pharma began with a dream by my younger brother, Yawanchi. This dream coupled with my vision, a vision deeply rooted in my unwavering belief that every individual, regardless of their background, deserves access to healthcare, and not just healthcare, quality healthcare, and affordable healthcare. It was with this belief that inspired me to embark on a journey to establish a company that would not only produce life-saving medications, but also contribute to the health and well-being of our people. MIKO Pharma was founded in recognition that Africa, with its vast resources and potential, must play a central role in addressing its own healthcare challenges. Far too long, we have relied on imported medications, often facing the risk of associated counterfeit and substandard drugs. Today, we take a bold step to change the narrative. The groundbreaking of this state-of-the-art pharmaceutical company represents a monumental leap forward, not just for us, but for the entire country and the continent at large. Once completed, this facility will be one of the largest and most advanced in Africa, producing medications to address pressing health issues such as high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, malaria, pain management, and antibiotics and antivirals. However, the significance of this plant extends beyond the production of essential medicines. It symbolizes our commitment to economic empowerment and community development. We anticipate that this project will create about 1,000 jobs, providing meaningful employment opportunities for local residents and the country at large. This is not just building a plant. It's about building a future where people can thrive, where local businesses can flourish, and where our community can prosper. We understand that progress must be sustainable, and we are committed to ensuring that this plant operates with the highest standards of environmental stewardship. By incorporating cutting-edge technology and environmentally friendly practices, we aim to minimize our carbon footprints and reduce waste, contributing to a cleaner and healthier planet for future generations. Our commitment to sustainability is not just meeting regulatory standards, it's about setting a new benchmark for the pharmaceutical industry on this continent. We are proud that our facility is on track to receive WHO certification. And with this certification, we should be able to export these drugs outside Ghana to the Western world as well. The project is a result of collaboration, partnership, and shared vision. I extend my deepest gratitude to our esteemed partners, Sushi Medicamentos, represented by Mr. Tapan Shah, my executive partner, Mr. Willow Jackson, Siemens, and our board members. To our partners, your expertise, innovation, and unwavering support have been instrumental in bringing this project to life. Together, we are creating something truly remarkable, a beacon of progress and hope for the entire continent. I also want to take this opportunity to acknowledge the vital role played by our government and the traditional leadership of Akosombo Akwamufie traditional area. Your belief in this project and commitment to health and well-being of the people of Ghana has been the driving force behind these efforts. We are deeply grateful for your support and partnership, and we look forward to continue this journey together. As we break ground today, we are not merely commencing on the construction of a facility. We are laying the foundation for a movement toward pharmaceutical self-sufficiency in Africa. We envision a future where Africa is no longer dependent on external sources for its medications, but instead becomes a leader in pharmaceutical innovation and production. This plan is just the beginning. MIKO Pharma is committed to expanding our reach, not only within Ghana, but across the continent and beyond. We plan to export our products to Europe and the Americas, showcasing the capabilities and excellence of African pharmaceutical manufacturing on a global scale. On a personal note, this project holds deep significance for me. It is a realization of a dream to give back to the land that has given me so much. As we all say, it takes a village. I'm a product of that village, and that's what we see here today. And it's my firm belief that Africa's future lies in our hands, and it's up to us to shape the future that we want. We are committed to seeing this project through to its completion and ensuring that it delivers on its promise of health, prosperity, and progress. And as we stand here today, let us remember that we are not just building a plant, we are building a legacy that will be remembered for generations to come, a legacy of health, hope, and opportunity. So on this note, I want to thank His Excellency for making time to be here. Distinguished guests, the Health Minister, my personal friend, Professor Ampofo, coming out of retirement, and Dr. Nsia Sari Nana, Kwabena Juma, Edwina, and all my friends, my family. My mom is here, my uncle, my whole entire family. Thank you guys for coming to support this momentous occasion. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Obegun, for the wonderful speech. Now is the time for the son of the flame that sparks soft trouble, divine drama of the mighty one who hails from time immemorial. Who will say upon this day to Lampoma the drama? You are the one whose name befits your fame. You are the one who is sought before decisions are taken. My Lord, before you advance, first look behind you, for the road seems crooked, very, very. For it is you who by cunning killed Ashwabenga Twabianketia. The fourth bearers claim they did not see you. The back bearers claim they did not meet you. But the middle bearers say, there you goes. For if we follow you, we shall exhaust our gunpowder. Ohene kasa, 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 kasa.
Now Afrakuma II, and today you are here again. Like the saying goes, thunder does not strike twice at the same spot. If it does not, then it means there is something valuable at that spot. Mr. President, it is my prayer that you will leave a remarkable and memorable footprint in Akwamu today. We are here today to break the grounds for the construction, development and management of a state-of-the-art cutting-edge pharmaceutical plant conceived by a world-renowned plastic surgeon and a Ghanaian, Dr. MIKO Pharma, and his able team. As the current chairman of the Governing Council of the Ghana College of Pharmacists, I am proud to have this pharmaceutical plant sited here in Akwamu. This plant and its related activities are in line with the United Nations SDG 3 and 17, that is good health and well-being and partnership for sustainable development. Thus, MIKO has subscribed to support the health, education, and employ the human resource of Akwamu and its environs. The enviable geographical location of Akwamu, that is to say, the Akwamufie hydroelectric dam, the Volta Lake transport system, and the unprecedented development of the railway system from Tamapong through Akwamu, Adome, and Ipakadam to the northern parts of Ghana and beyond, coupled with its proximity to the Tama Harbor and the capital city Accra, gives Akwamu a competitive advantage in the socio-economic architect of Ghana. As the overlord of Akwamu, I have resolved with my people to play our part through the public-private partnership framework to leverage the resources of Akwamu towards its socio-economic development. In recent times, Akwamu has partnered various local and international institutions to establish their businesses here in Akwamu. With the government framework on industrialization and business development, Akwamu is well positioned to host more of such investments, and I can assure the business community that Akwamu is ready and prepared to support you succeed in your ventures. Nana Chairman, I wish to thank the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Akufo Addo, for his commitment to develop Ghana through industrialization. Further thanks goes to Dr. MK Obegun of MIKO Pharma and his partners, the Minister of Health, Honorable Okuboi, and the Minister for Trade and Industry, Honorable Katie Hammond and his team, Nananom of Akwamufie, and to all those working behind the scenes for making this a reality. We have come so far, and I know this project is going to be a project of God's own blessings. Akwamufie Tiase, Ghana mine, God bless us and our homeland Ghana. Thank you.
In our quest to expand domestic pharmaceutical manufacturing capabilities and provide high-quality healthcare solutions across Africa. The establishment of the MIKO Pharma manufacturing plant comes at a critical juncture in our nation's development. Ghana has long been committed to improving healthcare for her citizens, and we have recognized that a vital part of this commitment is ensuring that our people have access to affordable, high-quality medicines. MIKO Pharma's vision, high-quality, affordable drugs to the world, is fully aligned with the government of Ghana's agenda to strengthen domestic production capacity in the pharmaceutical sector and reduce our reliance on imported medicines. This visionary project will serve the immediate health needs of our people and position Ghana as a key player in the regional and global pharmaceutical landscape. Ladies and gentlemen, over the years, the Akufo Addo government has embarked on several initiatives to advance pharmaceutical manufacturing in our country. We have recognized that building a robust pharmaceutical industry is not just an economic imperative, but also a social one. Our dependence on imported drugs, some 70% of the pharmaceutical products in Ghana come from abroad, creates vulnerabilities that we cannot continue to afford. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed these vulnerabilities, highlighting the urgent need to produce essential medicines domestically. This is why under my administration, we've made it a priority to provide incentives for domestic pharmaceutical companies, enabling them to scale up their production capacities and meet international standards. Through strategic partnerships, such as the collaboration between Atlantic Life Sciences and the government of Ghana, we've established manufacturing plants capable of producing key medications to meet domestic and regional demand. These efforts have borne fruit, with Ghana now producing essential medicines for the treatment of various diseases, including malaria, hypertension, and diabetes. We have also moved beyond traditional medicine production by promoting innovation and technological advancements in the pharmaceutical sector. I'm particularly pleased that MIKO Pharma is setting up a state-of-the-art production facility and is incorporating a cutting-edge vaccine center and a world-class research laboratory. This is precisely the kind of forward-thinking development that will position Ghana as a hub for pharmaceutical innovation in Africa. This new facility we're breaking ground for today is set to help revolutionize the pharmaceutical sector in Ghana and beyond. Once operational, the MIKO Pharma plant will increase significantly the availability of affordable and high-quality medications, addressing a wide range of critical health issues such as high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, malaria, and pain management. Moreover, the economic impact of this project cannot be overstated. The construction and operation of the MIKO Pharma plant will create some 1,000 direct jobs, many of which will be filled by local residents, injecting much-needed employment opportunities into the Akwamu community. Beyond direct employment, the ripple effects of this project will stimulate domestic businesses, including suppliers and service providers, contributing significantly to the economic growth of the area. I am confident that this plant will become a model for how large-scale industrial projects can be mutually beneficial to businesses and communities alike. With the construction of this facility, we're taking a crucial step towards reducing our dependence on imported drugs and ensuring that Ghana, and by extension, Africa, is capable of meeting the health needs of our people through domestically manufactured pharmaceuticals. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, today marks the beginning of a transformative journey. The groundbreaking of the MIKO Pharma plant is a testimony to what can be achieved when vision meets action, and it underscores the tremendous potential of Ghana as a leader in pharmaceutical manufacturing and healthcare innovation. I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to Dr. Michael K. Obeng, CEO and founder of MIKO Pharma Ghana Limited, his partners, and the entire MIKO Pharma team for their bold vision and commitment to improving healthcare access and outcomes, not only in Ghana, but also across the African continent. As we break ground today, we're not just laying the foundation for a building, we're laying the foundation for a healthier, more prosperous future for all. Let us continue to work together, government, business, and community, to make that future a reality. And I'm particularly grateful for the assurance that Odeneho Kwafo Kutu has given about the availability and support of Akwamu for businesses. May God bless us all in our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. I thank you for your attention. Program you also I train. Enti me ba be sre kwan na madowase. Se nenso so otumi yi wani maba ma dia konso fefefe. Nyame hira o, hira Akwamufie. Etu Akwamufie.
Woye botia kama woye kremoti peng ohio monio. His Excellency the President of the Republic na adodankwa Akufo Addo ohini mwemu ohini monio yira.
ANS Trading Agency aduane ene o manyina o ton bi sanso na enkwada aduane after meal we no eyabrochire de nya be eda ho ne bi ene o ton wholesale ene retail nyina no ope bi a ne border from pa we no Ghana market be bi eni ho obenya no price a ANS ede ma no te bomodia na frɛ o Ghana number 0249 170423 0249 170423 na omomfa bi emre oneto sanso na se wo niema wa kwantu mu a abrochire na se o be o my Ghana mu abomode na from no monyin famre ewiase afa na nyina kro bi a wo so no o frɛ omo a omo wo ho omo representative wo ho a obetimi age e de abre wo amo amo Europe no so de atadwumate den ne bomode na frɛ no se wani gi sa adwuma yi ho a e door to door business no frɛ no na o me set up ma na run in eje o cash go bottom sanso na abexpress.com se bronya ebai Ghana for ye pamontade ye nwe ahwene ye yensa no adwuma niema bebre nanso Ghana heya na ya na ya tofo no omo but omo ma international market am wetimi aton wade enti bomoden na eko www.abexpress.com se uyo bia oyansa no adwuma opamontade onwe ahwene onwe kenta bomoden na ko register na efa o niema ni guo no obemo atofo fi abrochiri na waje akomo mama sanso ena se uyo bia ope Ghana niema atoa ha ko abexpress.com uto ho a wiase afa na nyina ba bia wo bia no won bebo moden na won deliver edi amount yento na yemu Ghana fo no mo so intimi enkomanim.
The Honorable Minister of Health, Nanano, the family and friends, and all distinguished guests for taking time out of your schedule on a Tuesday to be here to celebrate this groundbreaking ceremony with us. On behalf of Dr. Michael Obeng, I want to say that it indeed takes a village. He's not done this by himself. He's not achieved this by himself.
Menu makwekwe sa sempa kania. Seme namna meti asempa na mamo amania na mano kekame. Anyembia wati ANS Trading Agency Limited nka. Sa woka se door to door for no de na watwa. Esanse obi ene wa wo se wo ho sa door to door business nim. Wo nneoma wo UK a wo de kwa Ghana. Ana se Germany a wo de kwa Ghana. 3 to 5 weeks ebekwa kodu nipa ne puna no se try. Na de mo mo demonstration wo se adwuma de we mu ne se wo ho bo no. E da fom se boko. ANS Trading Agency Limited. E wo air freight special service. Ano nneoma ne ye de befa plane. Entintempa na akwa kodu. Obetima fa sa pra we ya so de nneoma free Ghana akwa UK ana Germany. FGG dem which na also agina ye na men drop bomb. ANS Trading Agency Limited pe and a 40 footer any 20 footer container. Ya fe UK ediko Ghana ana Germany ediko Ghana. Oma manuoma yemre import to export to them there for you. Omo Ghana na money 0249 170 423. UK has over free 0790 802 7527. Germany 09173 771 2733. Ubenya ANS Trading Agency Limited. Our West Croydon ANS Trading Agency Limited. Quantum Brantem. Wana beboya baso. Maybe next time in a fill up from the bebro.
Million, let us say. The more about abexpress.com. abexpress.com the Million, dear mo. I got a phone near Manina, near Pabua, near abexpress.com. And then I won't be free Ghana, and Africa, and Pabua, na Saturday. Can tell me that I won't pen out your dad down who are party as Siana. Maybe I will be abexpress.com. Yadia Pabua, near Manu, Yadia Brewa, abexpress.com. Yadia, dear ahwenneɛ ɛdeɛ na wohwehwɛ wowɔ Europe aburokyire anaa America Australia no hɔ ana wowɔ anaa anaasɛ Asia na woteɛ baabi a wɔ bi a nsuro koraa ɛno ne sɛ wobɔ abiexpress.com na deɛ wohwehwɛ no wo nsa bɛka abiexpress.com wei deɛ yɛdeɛ mu o abiexpress.com wei deɛ papapa abiexpress.com yɛde Ghana ɛtoa wɔ aburokyire hɔ